As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I encounter from individuals and small business owners is about the popularity and reach of various solutions. When discussing cloud-based accounting platforms, FreshBooks frequently comes up. Its reputation for user-friendliness and focus on invoicing makes it a strong contender for many. But a deeper dive often leads to the question: how many users actually trust and utilize FreshBooks for their accounting needs? The answer to this question reveals FreshBooks' significant footprint in the global small business landscape. According to FreshBooks' official statements and information available on their website, more than 30 million people in over 160 countries have used FreshBooks to simplify tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, payments, and financial reporting. This figure of more than 30 million people doesn't necessarily mean 30 million paying subscribers at any given moment. Accounting software companies often distinguish between users who have used their platform at some point, which might include trial users, those who used free versions, or even past subscribers, and their current active subscriber base. While FreshBooks' precise number of active, paying subscribers at any specific time isn't publicly disclosed in the same way, the 30 million people figure clearly indicates a vast reach and widespread adoption of their software over its history. This substantial user base speaks volumes about FreshBooks' appeal, particularly to a specific segment of the business world. Let's break down what these numbers imply from an accounting software perspective. 1. A strong fit for service-based businesses and freelancers. FreshBooks has historically positioned itself as accounting software built for owners of growing service-based businesses. This includes freelancers, consultants, designers, marketers, IT professionals, and various other independent contractors. The core features of FreshBooks, particularly its robust invoicing, time tracking, and expense management, are perfectly aligned with the needs of these professionals who often bill clients for their time and services. The large user base suggests they've successfully met a critical need in this market. 2. Emphasis on simplicity and ease of use. A significant factor in attracting millions of users is FreshBooks' commitment to simplicity. Accounting can be daunting for many, especially those without a formal accounting background. FreshBooks' intuitive interface and straightforward workflows aim to make financial management accessible to everyone, not just accountants. This ease of use is a powerful draw for individuals and small teams who prioritize getting their invoicing and basic bookkeeping done quickly and efficiently without a steep learning curve. 3. Global reach and adaptability. Operating in over 160 countries signifies FreshBooks' global presence and its ability to adapt to various currencies, tax regulations, and business practices. This international reach is crucial for freelancers and small businesses that work with clients across borders, needing software that can handle multi-currency transactions and diverse invoicing requirements. 4. Building trust through longevity and support. FreshBooks was founded in 2004, making it one of the more established players in the cloud accounting software space. Over 2 decades in the market, having served tens of millions of users, builds a considerable amount of trust and credibility. This longevity, combined with their stated commitment to customer support, helps new users feel confident in choosing a platform that has a proven track record. 5. Continual product development. While FreshBooks started primarily as an invoicing solution, its growth in user numbers has been accompanied by a significant expansion of its features. Today, it offers double-entry accounting capabilities, more comprehensive reporting, project management features, integrations with other popular business tools, and even payroll integrations. This continuous evolution, driven by user feedback and market demands, ensures that FreshBooks remains relevant and valuable to its growing user base. 6. Understanding the user versus customer distinction. It's important for those learning about accounting software to understand that users can encompass a broad spectrum. A user might be someone who signed up for a free trial and tested the software, a client who simply receives invoices through FreshBooks, or an active paying subscriber. While the 30 million people figure highlights the sheer volume of individuals who have interacted with FreshBooks, the true measure of its active impact lies with its current paying customers. However, the fact that so many have used it indicates its brand recognition and its ability to attract initial interest. FreshBooks has clearly carved out a significant niche in the accounting software market, particularly for service-based small businesses and independent professionals. The claim of having been used by over 30 million people across more than 160 countries is a powerful indicator of its global reach and effectiveness. For anyone considering accounting software, understanding the scale of FreshBooks' user base provides assurance of its widespread acceptance and its ability to serve a large, diverse set of business needs. It underscores its role as a key tool for simplifying the financial management tasks that are so critical to the success of today's small and growing enterprises.